Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shawni with Shawni on the Spot. Welcome to my spot. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick 2-minute craft. Yep, a quick DIY, making some cute napkin rings to go with an upcoming tablescape that I have and thought you may be interested. Now the items that I used are some leftover ribbon I have from another DIY, plain napkin rings, my hot glue gun, and my scissors. Now the plain napkin rings, I usually buy those at the Dollar Tree. I keep those on hand because I make a lot of my own napkin rings. Now first, you want to take your ribbon and your hot glue and just put a little bit on the edge of your ribbon. Now be careful because hot glue is very hot and you will burn yourself. Now you take that and next you would just affix it to the actual napkin ring, just as you see there. And then I took a little bit more hot glue and put it directly onto the napkin ring and pulled the ribbon around it to secure it. And then finally, I went ahead and continued to glue and trimmed off the excess ribbon for a more finished look. And that's it, you're done. Look how cute these are. I just love them. And they're going to be going on a tablescape that I'm going to be doing soon. And I'll give you a sneak peek of that. All right, so I'd love for you to try it. It's super easy. Let me know in the comments if you plan on trying it or if you've done this before. You can use any ribbon that you choose. All right, quick and easy. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.